Hi everyone. Today in genetics, another important topic, that is the sex determination. The sex determination also in PU board is a very important. We'll expect the question from in this topic for entrance purpose. So first we are going to discussing about the sex determination. What is the sex determination? The definition of the sex determination: the establishment of the sex through differential development in an individual at an early stage of the life is called as sex determination. What is the meaning that an early stage of the life only we decided either girl or the boy? It's called sex determination. The sex determination always has been, we say it is one of the puzzle box. We can't say that either the girl or the boy. So that's why it is called puzzle box. Which one? The sex determination. In the sex determination, the chromosomes are play the very important role in sex determination. See, according to one of the scientists is Henking in the year of 1981, he discovered X chromosome. Means the first this X chromosome is called as X body. It's called as X body. Who? The Henking. Then after that, another Stevenson and Wilson. The two scientists in the year of 1905, they discovered the chromosome, that is X and Y chromosomes. After they discovered this X and Y chromosomes, they said this is called sex chromosomes or allosomes. Sex chromosomes are allosomes. The remaining chromosomes, which is the remaining chromosomes, he called as autosomes. But in sex determination, the allosomes are the sex chromosomes that play the important role in sex determination. Then now we are going to discussing about the types of the sex determination. Sex determination is divided into the following types. What are that? And what are they? In the sex determination, we divide it into the basically three types. The first one is male heterogamity. The second one, the female heterogamity. The last one is haplodiploid type of the sex determination. Already we discussed about the haplodiploid type of the sex determination. Now we have the male heterogamety and female heterogamety. The male heterogamety is divided into the two types. One is X6xy method. Here the X6xy method. Here, if X6 is a female, XY is a male. X6 is the female, X0 is the male. So now the female heterogamity, again it is also two types. What are that is ZZ Z double method. The another one is ZZ Z0 method. Here the X6xy method, X6x0 method, ZZ method, and ZZ double method. So and the last is upload deployed is an example is we observed in honeybees, some other insects. Say the male heterogamity. Male heterogamety nothing but hetero means difference, gamete. The gametes are heteromorphic or differences in the morphology. So that is male heterogamety. See here in the female is XX is there, the male is XY is there. But in female XX means same type of the chromosome, so it is called homogamety. Homogamety. So here the XY is there, so it is called heterogamety. Here the only same XX is there, homogamety, XY is there, heterogamety. In which one is the heterogamety? The male is the heterogamety. That's why the male heterogamety. The example of X6xy method we observed in which living organism? That the first is the mammals. The next we can take the X6x0 method. Here the female also XX is there, the male is the X0 is there. Here the differences is there. Means heterogamety. Heterogamety means the different. Homogamety means same type of the chromosomes. So here the male is a X0 is a different. Here the XX same. That's what it is a homogamety. It is a heterogamety. The male is a heterogamety. The example of heterogamety of the male X6x0 method example is round worms, then insects, nothing but grasshopper. This is the example which is a very important. The next you can take ZZ method. In this we have to remember here the one thing that but Z equal to and W equal to. The Z we are considered here X. Is a Y, W is considered as a Y. Means what here that the instead of the Z we are taking the X. Instead of the W we are taking the what? Y. Because without confusing that. So instead of the Z is X, Y. W instead of the W is the Y we are taking that. So that is the female heterogamety that. Female heterogamety means it is a male, it is a female, again here the male and the what? Female. So here the female is the heterogamety, the different ZW is there. The Z0 is there. But in males, ZZ only is there. Here the ZZ only. But here the opposite one. Here the male is the heterogamety. Here the female is the heterogamety. Next, the ZZ double method. Example of the ZZ double method we observed in birds. Very important. It is a 2019 entrance question. This ZZ double is an example in which the birds. The next ZZ0 example in moths. Example in moths. Then after that it is reptiles and fishes also. That this is the male heterogamety, the female heterogamety, upload deployed. This is a very important example that the male heterogamety X6xy method in mammals, then X6x0 method is a roundworms and grasshopper. ZZ double is a birds, is important, reptiles and fishes. ZZ0 is a moths. this is the types of the sex determination. Now what we have to do, we are going to discussing about the one by one. X is xy, x0, z0. If you are learn means the completed the sex determination. Now we are going to discussing about the X6xy method. Now next, the male heterogamity, that is the X6xy method. This method is the first that discovered on which that milkweed bugs, or it is called as scientific name Labius tarsicus. The first it is identified in this. So that's why this type of the method we are called as lineage type of the method also. Now we can take that the X6xy method. That now we can take this is about the male and a symbol of female. Then what happened here, the autosomes plus X y, here the autosomes plus X. This is about the what? The P1 generation. Then what happened that now you can take that gametogenesis, means gametes formation. That now what here the meiosis, same here also there, meiosis. What happened here in the gametogenesis? Autosomes plus X, autosomes plus Y in male, and the autosomes plus X, autosomes plus X. So like that. See here the female is XX chromosomes are allosomes. Here the XY is the allosomes of the male. Again we'll discuss it clearly. Now what happened that now we can take the about the what F1 generation. In the F1 generation, if autosomes plus XX, say autosomes plus XY, then now autosomes plus XX, this and this, autosomes plus XY, like this is formed. So here in this now, if our autosome plus XX means it is indication of what indication what female, XY is the what the male, again is a female, again is a male. So like that in what in the X6xy method. Now we are going to discussing about the through the based on the chromosome number, this X6xy method in human beings. Now we can take the sex determination in human beings. See here in the male and female, the male you can take the female and the male. The female you can take the XX chromosomes, the male is the XY chromosomes. The generally in the human beings, how many chromosomes? Actually 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. In these 23 pairs of the chromosome, the one pair is allosomes. Remaining 22 pairs are autosomes. Again, these allosomes in the human, the males and females is different. In males is XX, the females is the XY is there. See here, in the males, the females is the XX, the males is the XY. The males here, this is the one of the X chromosome, this is also one of the X chromosome. Here also one X chromosome. See here, these X chromosomes, the structure is the same is there. The morphology is the same is there. So that's why it is called homomorphic chromosomes. See here the what? XY is there in XY. Here the X is the same structure of this male, female X. but here the up to here the same, but here the Y is different. The morphology is different. That's what is called heteromorphic chromosomes. Heteromorphic chromosomes. See here in the males, in the females. In the males here the X is there. Here also to present the sperm. Here the Y also to present the sperm. Both are to present the sperm. Which is the sperm to located on the Y chromosome, that is called androsperm. That is called androsperm. Which is a sperm located on X chromosome, that is called gynosperm. The study of the female reproductive system, gynecology. The male is andrology. So androsperm, here the gynosperm. Now what we have to do? The sex determination in human beings with chromosome number. See, now sex determination in human beings with chromosome number. Now it is the female, the male. The female is 44 plus XX chromosome. If the 44 is the autosomes, XX1 pair is the allosome. Same here the 44 is autosomes. Remaining to one pair is the allosomes. This is called as the P1 generation or the parental generation. Then after the this, it is involving in the meiosis. Meiosis. What happened? The chromosome become half or reduced. Then in the gamete formation, in the female, the 22 plus X chromosome, the 22 plus X. Then again the male, 22 plus X, 22 plus Y. This is called the gamete formation. It is called gametogenesis. Then after that, now we have to observe the F1 generation. In the F1 generation, 22 plus X, here the 22 plus X1, 44 plus X. So we expect the first girl, the baby girl. For example, here the 22 plus X, 22 plus Y. This is a baby boy. So like that, baby girl. 44 plus X is there. XX is there, baby girl. 44 plus XY is there, baby boy. So like that, remember here the one thing very important nowadays, all the people, the misguiding or blaming the girls. Because of that, here the either girl or the boy is determined by is responsible by the male only. Because the male having the XY or heterogamity, the female XX only is there. Either girl or boy decided by the male only. That's why we should not blame the girl. If all the girls only deliver means this is only responsible to girl. There is a generation like that, no like this. Who is responsible? Either girl or boy is determined, decided by the males only. That's why who is the main responsible? The male. So that's why don't blaming the girls. The base of this sex determination in human beings. This is the male heterogamity X6xy method. Now we are going to explain about the X6x method. Now see the X6x method of the male heterogamity. This X6x method we observed in the cockroach, the grasshopper and bugs. See now the normal the sex determination. Now we can take the male and the female. The male is autosomes plus X0 means heterogamity. The female autosomes plus XX, the homogamity, the same type of the X chromosomes. It is called P1 generation. Then after that, this both the involving the what? Meiosis. Then after the meiosis, half of the chromosomes, autosomes plus X, autosomes plus 0, only autosomes. Then autosomes plus X, autosomes plus X. It is a gamete or gametogenesis. Then after that is a meeting between the both male and female in F1 generation. Autosomes plus XX, it is a what? It is about the male. It is female. It is X0 is there, male. It is the female grasshopper or the bugs or the cockroach. Again, X0 is the male grasshopper or the bugs. So like that, it is a normal the formula of X6x method. Now we are going to explain through the chromosomes number. Now the sex determination in the grasshopper with number. In the grasshopper, how the chromosome number the 23 in the males, the 24 in the females. Because here the 22 is autosomes, 1 is the allosome. And the 22 is the autosomes, XX is the allosomes. Now it is the 22 plus X0 involve the meiosis, then 11 plus X, 11 plus 0 gametes. In female, 11 plus X, 11 plus X in gametes in female. It is called gametogenesis. Then after that, after the gametogenesis, 11 plus X, 11 plus S, 22 plus XX. And again 11 plus and 11 plus X, 11 plus 0 plus 11 plus 22 plus X 0. Then now same here the 22 plus XX, 22 plus X 0. If you have 22 plus XX is there, that is a female grasshopper. 22 plus X 0 is there, male grasshopper. Same 22 plus X, female grasshopper. 22 plus X 0 is the male grasshopper with the number. This is about the X6xy method. In this also the male heterogamety is there, which both X6xy and X6x0. Upcoming classes we are going to discussing about the female heterogamety. Any doubt is that they keep in comment section. Share the YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel. Okay.